2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order and xy. Find the xy. Then how do you find the xy? So let us say this is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, already you know that diagonals bisect each other. Means midpoint of diagonal are same, right? Let us say this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, in parallelogram A, B, C, D, let you say here the given points, let A 1 comma 2, B 4 comma 5, C x comma 6 and D 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram, are the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so already you know that in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other, but diagonals are not equal. Diagonals bisect each other. That means here midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Write down. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so let us say here midpoint is 1 comma 2. So here A is 1 comma 2, B is 4 comma 5, C is x comma 6 and D is 3 comma 5. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here which one is x1? So what is the formula of midpoint? X1 plus x2 by 2, and this is the formula, midpoint formula I am writing here. So this is the formula of midpoint. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, then that means here midpoint of AC, midpoint of BC both are having same value. Okay, use that formula. Midpoint of AC means you use A point and C point. Okay, what is the A point here? What is the A point? 1 comma 2. What is the C point? X comma 6. Okay, so you apply the midpoint formula for this. Okay, similarly, what is the midpoint of BD? Where B value is 4 comma 5 and the C value is x comma 6. Just you apply the midpoint formula for these points. So x1 plus x2. So x1 is 1, x2 is x, 1 plus x by 2. Just y coordinates are 2 and 6, right? 2 plus 6 by 2 equal to, in this here midpoints, here the points. So 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Okay, 4 plus 3, how much? 4 plus 3 is how much? 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now what you have to do? So equate the x coordinate and y coordinate, then you will get the x value and y value. Okay. So now just you equate the x coordinate and y coordinate. So what is the x coordinate here? X coordinates are 1 plus x by 2 is here. It is you equate with the 7 by 2. And what are the y coordinates? 4 you equate with the y plus y by 2. So write down here. So what you have to do here? Just a minute. Okay. So just you equate the x coordinates and y coordinates and write down here. So equating x coordinates and y coordinates. Equating x and y coordinates. Okay. So just you do here. So first you equate the x coordinates. So what are the x coordinates we have here? Here we have the x coordinate 1 plus x by 2 and here 7 by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 you equate with 7 by 2. Okay. So both sides by 2 get cancel. Then 1 plus x equal to 7. Then x equal to 7 minus 1. Then x equal to 6. Similarly, you equate the y coordinates. Here y coordinate is 4. So just you equate with the y plus 5 by 2. Okay. So this we can write 4 equal to y plus 5 by 2. By 2 when you take it here, 8 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 equal to y plus 5. Plus 5 when you take it this side, it will become 8 minus 5. So y equal to 3. So this is your answer where x value is 6 and y value is 3. Okay. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Okay, here in the circle Let us say this AB is a diameter. Okay, the center of the diameter, let us say that is O, right? They given that the point B is how much here? 1, comma 4. What is the center of the circle given here? 2, comma minus 3. We need to find the A value. We don't know the value x1, y1. What is the relation between A point, B point, and O point? O is the center of the diameter AB. Okay, so midpoint of diameter is equal to center of the circle. Remember, midpoint of diameter is equal to center of the circle. Okay, so I'm writing here. Let we need to find the A. So you have to use here also midpoint formula. Let A x1 y1. Okay, and the center of the circle O. So which is equal to how much? 2, comma minus 3, and B value is how much? 1, comma 4, and AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, so midpoint of diameter is center of the circle, that is O. Okay, in the circle, midpoint of diameter, midpoint of diameter equal to center of the circle, center of the circle O. Center of the circle is O. Midpoint of diameter, so diameter AB kada. So midpoint, you apply the midpoint formula for AB. Okay, so what is the midpoint formula cheppandi? So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, X1 plus 1 by 2 equal to Y1 plus 4 by 2, Y1 plus 4 by 2, and center O. What is the O value here? 2, comma 2, comma minus 3. Now you equate the x coordinate and y coordinate. You will get the x1, y1 points now. So equating the x coordinate. Okay, just you equate these two terms, right? So x1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2. So by 2 when you take it this side, so it will become 2 into 2 is 4. X1 equal to plus 1 you take it that side. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. Here x1 value you got here 3. And similarly you find the equating the y coordinates. You have to write here equating the x coordinates. You write here. Here you write equating x coordinates. Here also you write equating y coordinates. Okay. So what is the y coordinate we have here? Y1 plus 4 by 2, and y coordinate we have here minus 3. Okay. So by 2, when you take it that side, it will become into 2. Minus 3 into 2 is how much? Minus 6, not plus 6. You have to say minus 6. Okay. So y1 plus 4 equal to minus 6. Okay. So next one, plus 4 when you take it here, so it will become minus 4. Okay, so y1 equal to minus 6. Plus 4 when you take it this side, it will become minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is how much? Minus 10. So therefore the point A x1 y1 equal to, we can write as, what is the x1 point here? X1 is, what is the x1 here? X1 is 3, y1 is minus 10. Okay, this is your answer. You see, this is a 3, comma minus 10. You just you midpoint, apply the midpoint now. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 4 by 2 is 2. It is a center x value. Y1 value is minus 10. Here y1 y2 value is 4. Minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is how much? Minus 6. Okay, now it is matching. So our answer is correct. If A and B are minus 2, comma minus 2 and 2, comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So here, listen here, A and B, the points given here, minus 2, 2, comma minus 4. Find the coordinates of P, and the given the relationship here, AP equal to how many times of AB? 3 by 7 times of AB. So how do you do this? Means you have to just you draw this AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Okay. So get the relation between AP and AB. What is AP by AB? AP by AB equal to 3 by 7. Means don't touch this. Here AP just you make into 3 equal parts. AB you make into 7 equal parts. Listen. So this is a A and this is B. So what is the AB? AB is equal to 7 equal parts and AB equal to 3 equal parts. Means the lines endpoints are A and B. You make it 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that is 7. Okay. So we made 7 equal parts. In this first 3 equal parts are equal to AB. Okay. The next 4 equal parts are PB. That means here P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3 is to 4. So 3 is to 4. Okay. That means from this we can assume that here P divides, let us say the P point is x comma y. P x comma y divides line segment AB, line segment AB, P x comma y divides the line segment AB in the ratio 4 is to 3 or 3 is to 4. Sorry, this is 3 is to 4. Okay, now you apply the section formula. What is the section formula? Section formula, what is the section formula? Let us say this is what is the A point and B point. What is the A point? Line segment AB, right? So what is the A point? So where A point is minus 2 minus 2. So B point is 2 minus 4. Line segment AB. So line segment AB where A point is minus 2 minus 2, B point is 2 comma minus 4. So let us say this is the point x1 and this is the point y1, this is x2 and this is y2 and this is a m1 and this is m2. Okay, use the formula, section formula. What is the section formula? Let us say that is a p x comma y equal to p x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So p x comma y equal to how to say this, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so the next one is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, now you say what is m1 we have here? What is m1? Yes, everyone please say what is m1? M1 is 3. What is the x2? X2 is 2. 3 into 2. M2 is, what is M2? 4. And what is X1? X1 is minus 2 by M1 plus M2. That is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Okay. Similarly, what is M1? M1 is 3. What is the Y2? Minus 4 plus what is M2? 4. Y1 is minus 2. Y1 is minus 2. Okay, just check the values one more time. Yes, is it correct? Yes. Next one is M1 plus M2 is 3 plus 4. Okay. Now find the P coordinates now. Therefore, Px comma y equal to Px comma y equal to, now you tell 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. You say minus 8 by 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, similarly 3 into minus 4 is, yes, 3 into minus 4 is minus, yes, minus 12 plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 by 3 plus 4, that is 7. Can you say what is 6 minus 8? Here one is plus, other one is minus. 6 minus 8 is plus 2 or minus 2? Minus 2. Why minus 2? Here bigger value has negative sign. So you have to take negative value. Minus 2 by 7. If both are having the same signs, you have to add. So both are having negative signs. So minus 12 minus 8 is how much? Minus 20. Minus 20 by 7. So this is your point. Minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. These are the coordinates of the P. Okay. Note down this.